Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover secrets that transform your intimate life. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: master intimacy. 4 secret Stoic positions uncovered. These positions are not just about physical connection, but also about fostering deep emotional bonds. So stay tuned as we reveal these ancient secrets that can elevate your intimacy to the next level. Before we get into the positions, let's understand the philosophy behind Stoic intimacy. Stoicism is about self-control, resilience, and inner peace. When applied to intimacy, it focuses on deep connection, mutual respect, and emotional balance. These positions are designed to strengthen both your physical and emotional bonds. Position 1 is the embrace of stillness. This position is all about holding each other in a calm and still embrace. The key here is to focus on your partner's presence and breathe in sync. This fosters a deep sense of security and connection. Next, we have the mindful touch. In this position, you and your partner take turns exploring each other's bodies with slow, deliberate touches. The focus is on being present and mindful, appreciating every sensation. The third position is the silent gaze. Sit facing each other and simply gaze into each other's eyes without speaking. This deep eye contact helps you connect on a profound emotional level, allowing you to communicate without words. The harmonious breath is our 4th position. Lie side by side and synchronize your breathing. This simple yet powerful practice promotes harmony and unity, aligning your energies. And there you have it, 4 secret Stoic positions to master intimacy. These practices go beyond the physical, nurturing a deeper emotional connection and mutual respect. Try them with your partner and experience the profound impact they can have on your relationship. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on enhancing your intimate life. Share your experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay connected and cherish every moment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.